First of all, you guys are probably wondering what the hell is with all this drone stuff. The reason I'm telling you about my drone is because it's going to be awesome for the future. So since the other day and following the boys on their mountain bikes, I thought, well, what's it going to be like if we can put some FPV goggles on and be able to fly the drone and not even be able to see the drone, but see what we're trying to film. That would be awesome. So I got hold of some Predator FPV goggles from Fat Shark, and this is that next stage of putting them onto the drone and yeah, getting to use those. This is really cool. Check this out. We got the drone for $300. We have built all of this. This is for FPV. I never actually thought that it would work. It's Fat Shark equipment. We've still got, can I take that, Harry?
Yeah.
We've still got our GoPro 7 Black on here. Today we turned that on, we turned this on, we put our Fat Shark goggles on. So we just turned it all on and we went down the back to see if it'd work, and we
I'm going to show you guys how it flies.
Yeah! Harry is 11 and he is flying FPV. The drone is up here. There it is there. It's like you're part of a computer game that's real. Look at that technology! FPV Fat Shark goggles that we're wearing here were released in 2013, so they're quite old, and the drone that Harry's flying here is a 2017 model DJI 3 Advanced. We got the whole lot for $300. Can't complain with that. To see more about the development of this old drone, make sure you click the link at the end of this film. Awesome. Till next time, see you later. Thank you.